In this video, we'll learn how to create custom polygons and 3D polygons on the map using MAPOG. To begin, create a custom location and set the geometry type to polygon. If you want a detailed walkthrough on creating templates and adding attributes, you can watch our video on how to create custom location templates. Now, click Add manually under Add Location and select your polygon type custom location from the drop-down. Next, draw your polygon on the map by placing 3 or more points as shown in the video. Once the shape is complete, confirm it. After that, add a title, a description, and any images if needed. Fill in all the attributes you created in your template. To style your polygon, click the pencil or edit icon. Here, you can adjust the height and color of the polygon. Increasing the height will convert your polygon into a 3D polygon. You can also modify the bounding box settings, such as zoom level, pitch, and rotation, to change how the polygon appears on the map. Once everything is set, click Save, and your polygon will be added as a custom location on the map. In the next video, we'll understand how to add polyline data manually in MAPOG.